So I planted these in the month of January, around the end of January, like about the last week of January, I think, and it is the 13th of February, so it's just about 2 weeks. They're just about 2 weeks old, and look how tall they've grown. They're just about 10 centimeters now. And last year I planted a lot of tomatoes, and I think I started a bit late because I started off around March, April, but I got caught up with the winter. I didn't have them ripened before the frost came, so I wanted to start a little bit early this year. So that's why I decided to start in January, and I'm happy I did because look at that pot of tomatoes. You can see on the packaging how it has the months of the year, and I think the amber months mean you can plant them indoors, and then the green months mean that you can take them outdoors. They're okay to deal with the outside elements. And then I think the purple ones means that's when the fruits come out, the flowers and the fruits, and you can begin to harvest them. So yeah, I'm ready for the tomatoes this year. I have been planting them on the windowsill, and I'm lucky enough to have my radiator just by the window, so they kind of get a lot of heat to help them germinate, and they also get a lot of sunlight from the window as well. So although it's been very cold in the UK this year, 2021, we've had a very cold winter. Maybe it's due to the lockdown, I don't know, but yeah, they've been doing very well on the windowsill. So I'm also experimenting on winter sowing, which is a concept that is quite common in the US. I hear people using recycled plastic bottles and planting their seeds in these bottles and putting them outside, and the bottles kind of act like greenhouses. I'm going to try to experiment on this. I'm not too sure about it. I don't want to waste my seeds, but I think sometimes you have to try and do some things to see what works and what doesn't work. So as well as tomatoes, I've also planted in January some peppers. I've got some scotch bonnets, some chilies, the small chilies, and I've also got the sweet peppers. I was told that peppers take longer from the germination process to the ripening and harvesting. In fact, that is so right, because it took quite a while for the peppers to germinate. In fact, up till now, I haven't seen the scotch bonnet pop out yet, but I'm still keeping my fingers crossed and praying that they come through. I've also got okra amongst my seedlings that I'm planting this year, and that is a random one, or would I say wild card one, because okra is not it's not original to the UK, so I think it's a tropical plant. So I'm going to see how that works. I will try and make sure that the temperature is hot enough before I take it outdoors, and I probably have to stake it up with some bamboo sticks just to give it some support, because okra grows very tall, and yeah, it would need some support because the wind in the UK is quite intense as well. So I would have my hands very busy this year. So I'm just going to let you enjoy the rest of the video, just watching the other things that I've planted and what's germinated and what hasn't germinated yet. Happy viewing.
looks like they might be easy to grow. Look at that one, is still trying to sprout to pop out.